Good morning, guys. John Reese Outdoors here. Well, today is a little different. Today is Monday. I took a vacation day, took care of some stuff around the house. So I knew yesterday was going to be busy. Yesterday was beautiful. So I was thinking, you know what? And I was going to go fishing in the morning, but I was like, let's take the day off. Let's get some stuff done around the house that the wife wants me to knock out. And we'll go on Monday. That way, maybe there's a good chance less people will be fishing on Monday. So that's where we're headed. We're headed to Tim's Ford, and I got a special guest with me today. This is Georgia. She is 7 months old yet. This is the first time she's been on a boat. She's been to the water and been fishing with me, but this is the first time she's been on the boat. So we're gonna see how she likes it. It might not go too good. I'm hoping it does, but there's no guarantee about this. So again, we're headed to Tim's Ford. I'm hoping the water is up. Last time we were here, it was down probably about 10 to 12 feet according to the water line on the rocks. So we've got a little bit to go, probably about 30 more minutes, and hopefully we can do something today. All right, bear with me, guys. We'll be there in a little bit. All right, GoPro. Well, been on the water for maybe 5 minutes. She's doing good. She's a little scared because there's a bridge that makes an extremely loud banging sound when a car goes across it, so that's got her scared. I'm trying to stay right here to get her used to that noise. That way it doesn't freak her out. And what was bad is I was sitting here, I had a good hit just then because I was watching her. I missed the bite, but it's all right. I'm just making sure she's doing good. She's just walking back and forth. She finally jumped up here where I am. So hopefully she'll like it. See my first copperhead. Excuse me, water moccasin. Alright guys, first one. Hit it 3 times before the commitment was made. Little small 1-pounder. Look girl, what is this? It's just, hey, okay. That was just a fish. Gotta get her used to it, guys. Like I said, this is the first time she's ever been in the boat. You got one out. So you want to see this one now? Huh? Hang on. Alright, we got one more, buddy. Hang on. Alright. Alright guys, a little bit of a better one, maybe 1.5 pounds. You see this one? Hey, you see this one? All right, put it back. Thank you, buddy. If you want to see them, I ain't gonna force you on them. You know what? I left my rag. Give you my pants.